All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, what's your name?
Lucas Owen Beers.
And how old are you, Lucas?
3.
You're 3.
I was toys.
Callie is 5.
Yeah.
Do you remember what today is?
Yeah.
What is today?
Father's Day.
Father's Day. You have a dad. Who's your dad?
Daddy.
Daddy. What's Daddy's name? Do you know?
M.
Tim.
M. Beers.
Tim Pierce. What does your daddy do?
Work.
What does he do for work?
Go there.
He what?
Go there.
He goes there?
Yeah.
What does he do when he's here?
Work.
He works here too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does he play with you sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does he play good? Is he a good player?
Yeah.
What do you guys play?
Legos.
You play Legos?
Yeah.
Where are you going? What's your very favorite thing to play with Daddy?
Legos.
That's your very favorite? Legos is your very
Yeah.
favorite? What else do you do with Dad?
Work.
Does Owen play with Dad too?